Posters reading Thank You Pakistan appeared in the various areas of the occupied Kashmir as Pakistani nation prepares to observe Kashmir Solidarity Day tomorrow. The posters featuring the flag of Pakistan were seen in the several areas of the valley including Srinagar. Political analysts and experts have reiterated that the people of occupied Kashmir demand an end to India's illegal occupation and their right to self-determination. The political analysts and the experts speaking to the media in Srinagar stated that India's unilateral actions of the August 2019 violate international law and the UN mandate. All-Party Hurriyat Conference has expressed deep gratitude to the people and the government of Pakistan for their unwavering moral, political and diplomatic support to the Kashmiris' legitimate struggle for freedom from India's illegal and forcible occupation. APHC Chairman Musarrat Alam Butt, in a message from the New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail, reiterated the appreciation for Pakistan's steadfast backing of the Kashmir's cause. National Conference MP Agha Ruhollah has strongly advocated for the restoration of the occupied Kashmir's pre-1953 status, asserting that the mere statehood was insufficient to address the territory's political and constitutional grievances. He was speaking in the Indian Parliament during the debate on the President's address. Indian Forces personnel during massive crackdown operations have arrested over 500 youth in the Kulgam and other areas of the Kashmir Valley. The operation was jointly launched by the Indian Forces personnel associated with the Rashtriya Rifles, Central Reserve Police Force and the Special Operation Group. Residents of the Safa Kadal in Srinagar staged a strong protest against the installation of the smart meters, condemning the move as an exploitative tool by the India to economically burden the Kashmiris. The protesters from the Dana Mazar, Al Noor colony and the nearby areas took to the streets, stating that the authorities are selectively targeting their locality for the project.